Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe. I think all of you are learning well also. Today we are going to learn Science Chapter 4, Sorting Materials and Groups. I am your Leena Miss. Okay, let's start the lesson. Okay children, let us start our lesson. Objects around us. You can see innumerable things around you. They look different and have properties different from each other. We saw that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. Not just food and clothes. There is such a vast variety of objects everywhere we see around us. A chair, a bullock cart, a cycle, cooking utensil, books, clothes, toys, water stones, etc. All these objects have different shape, colors and uses. You can see the diagram. So many different objects are there and they are having different sizes, colors and shape. And one more thing is there, materials are used to make different kinds of things or objects we are using every day in our life. Okay. Our next topic is objects that are round in shape. Look around and identify the objects that are round in shape. If you want to make a list, our list include a rubber ball, a football and a glass marble. If you want to make another list, the round thing, just totally not round but nearly round things. If you want to make a list, we can write apples, oranges and earthen picture, etc. And some other things also we have to learn from this group of objects that are made of plastic. We are already knowing that in our house so many plastic items are there. Then also just have a look on the screen which are the plastic items: buckets, lunch boxes, toys, water containers, pipes, etc. So we can understand from this topic in the above examples. Two types of examples are already given there. One is the things which are made of plastics and other one round shaped things. So we can understand this. All these things have group object on the basis of shape or the materials they are made. Our next topic, same objects can be made from different kinds of materials. For example, one tumbler. One tumbler can be made of glass, plastic, thermocol, ceramic or paper. So that only the diagram it is given there. The material, so that means the object is same only, but we can use different types of material for making them. And one other thing is that all objects around us are made of one or more materials. These materials may be glass, metal, plastic, wood, cotton, paper, soil, etc. So in our surroundings so many objects are there, so many things are there. So all objects around us are made of one or more materials. That only it is given there. And these materials can be, it may be made of glass, made of metal, made of plastic, or made of wood, cotton, paper, soil, etc. So we can say that so many things are made of glass. Glass plates are there, glass bottles are there, like that plastic buckets are there, cups are there. Wooden we can use that chairs, tables, furniture, like that. So many paper also, notebook, books, newspapers. So like that with the help of one material so many things we can make. That only from this topic. Next we are going to learn about object and the materials they are made of. Just now I told you one object can be made of different materials. For example, plate. So plate can be made of steel, glass, plastics. The same way pen. Pen can be made from plastic and metals. Another topic is different type of object that are made from the same material. So we can make so many things from wood. I just now I told you chair, table, plow, bullock cart, etc. can be made from wood. At the same way, many other materials are also made from paper, books, notebooks, newspaper, calendars, etc. And look at our bags, chappals and belts. All these three items are also made from leather and steel. In our house we are using so many steel items. Steel plates are there, glasses are there, knives, so many other cooking utensils, cards. All these are made of steel. So here that topic only now we are going to learn. Already learned that also the objects that are made from the same material. With the help of same material, different types of objects we can make it. Okay. Now just discuss about what we learn from this topic. That means what we have to do this lesson as a conclusion. First point, objects around us are made of different materials. An object could also be made of many materials. One material could be used for making many different objects. These are the main 3 points we have learned from today's topic. Okay, thank you. I will come with another video. Till then, take care, keep learning. Bye.